salad versus Shirazi salad. Let's make it together. Stay tuned with That Is My Life. For an attractive Greek salad, we start by chopping cucumbers. Don't forget that the size of all the vegetables should be the same, so we can pick up all of them by a fork. Cut the cherry tomato in half and after that, julienne the bell pepper. For a better taste and color in salads, it's better to use yellow, orange or red bell pepper. And now we chop the red onion in julienne. Always use red onion in salads. Add petit calumet olives to the vegetables. Let's go to the sauce. Mix olive oil, mustard, fresh lime juice, minced garlic, a little oregano, salt and black pepper. And add to the vegetable mixture. Be sure to rest for half an hour in refrigerator and then serve it. Popular salad of Iranians, Shirazi salad. Cut the cucumber into small dices. Be sure to take the inside of the tomato so that the salad doesn't leak. Dice it like the cucumbers. We finish the work by chopping the onion. Let's go to the seasoning of this dish. Dry mint, fresh lemon juice or verjuice, a little olive oil and salt. It's done. Where are you? I'm in heaven when I cook. I serve lettuce, vegetables, sauce and feta cheese for a Greek salad. I put Shirazi salad in a mold to make it look better. Which one is the winner, Greek or Shirazi? Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.